super crib. November 11th, that is. My mommy's birthday. Sun would be out today. Guitar in hand, of course. I'm walking right now towards this very cool area. It's a miracle, really. I walked out my place, and as you see, what we're coming up on here, many, many birds, because there's a fresh flowing river rolling right into the ocean. I'll give you a little zoom here. Looks like some National Geographic. Out of there. Short line. Old Desolate. This is all native community. They all moved out. Apparently some condos coming in. We'll see how quick the... That's what I wanted to get on film. Knucklehead dog scared him away. He's definitely having fun here though. See a Labrador. Look, and they all come back anyway. It's just an animal that they recognize. That's fantastic. Savvy is one with the group. Bravo. I'm very grateful to be here.